Hi everyone, I'm Jeff Cunning. We're VP of Product for AI here at Shutterstock. And today, I'm really excited to talk through a lot of the incredible advancements in generative AI and creative technologies that are taking place here at Shutterstock. Our mission is to make the creative process easier and faster so you can deliver standout content with confidence. We want to eliminate the time, the money, the wasted effort, the frustration that often come along with learning new creative tools and enable you to achieve commercially viable outcomes without sacrificing quality or creativity. So let's dive in. Imagine I'm the social media manager at a publishing company, and I need to create multiple social media posts featuring key art. I search for glass flower and can choose this photograph by this talented artist from the Netherlands, or this cool orange rose from Narunta in Thailand. Every time I license an image from Shutterstock, I'm actually supporting these artists' livelihoods. Shutterstock helps millions of artists around the world sell their work online. And we've actually paid out over $1 billion in contributor earnings through our platform. For my TikTok post, I can search for videos of flowers. For example, I can choose this awesome video from Futurist, who's a great, talented CG artist. And I can also choose some happy music or sound effects from Grammy-winning musicians. I can trim, zoom, and resize my videos with Shutterstock Create, giving me more control and flexibility, and serving as a true one-stop solution. The Shutterstock platform gives me all the creative ingredients I need in one place. But let's say the vision that I have for what I want to create doesn't exist yet. Well, now I can create exactly what I want instantly with AI Image Generator. And what's great about the Shutterstock AI Image Generator is that contributing artists are getting paid every time I generate and license new images. Shutterstock was actually the first company to set up a contributor fund for compensating contributing artists for their role in generative models. Generative AI models were created because of real people with real content, and we believe that these contributing artists are our partners as we venture into this new AI frontier together. We built the AI Image Generator with the everyday creator in mind. And with our platform, you can get exactly what you need as quickly as you can imagine it. So let's say I want an image of flowers, but specifically I want a close-up of a bouquet of golden roses. As you can see, the results are pretty original. I don't have to be a techie or an expert in generative AI to get really exceptional results. Our style selector features over 100 one-click styles, everything from 3D avatars to photorealism to illustrations, so you can really easily play around to get exactly what you want. And I'm happy to say, the Shutterstock is just getting started. AI isn't only enabling you to generate new images. In fact, we actually believe that AI can transform the entire creative process. And with that in mind, I'm super excited to share a sneak peek of our next big release, our AI Design Assistant. You can tell our design assistant the vision that you're trying to bring to life and collaborate with it until you've created it. Our AI Design Assistant can inspire your creative journey so you're not starting from a blank slate. It can help guide you from an early concept to a finished product. And it can make any creative change that previously would have required an expert designer in just a matter of seconds. For example, I can write, I want to create an image of friendly creatures for a children's book cover. Can you give me some creative suggestions? And as you can see, it can quickly spin up some new creative suggestions and ask me which one fits my needs best. Let's say I like this image of the baby tree monster, but I want to customize it. We're building some pretty magical AI editing capabilities to allow you to do exactly that. For example, let's say I want to zoom out. If I ask the design assistant to do that, it can automatically infer what's beyond the borders of our image and automatically bring that to life. If I want different variations of the same image, maybe for other characters in my book, I can ask the design assistant to create new versions. And just like that, it can create new variations of the same image. It's pretty amazing. Now let's say I want to modify just a specific aspect of this image. I really like this baby tree monster, but it doesn't exactly fit the vision that I had for this character. Well, now without logging into expert design software, I can simply ask the design assistant, can you remove these leaves off the top of the baby tree monster's head? And just like that, it's done. Shutterstock is focused on making it ridiculously easy to get you the exact result you want. I can ask the design assistant to change the background, add filters, shapes, text, and more. And I don't have to learn how to use new design software to be able to make any of these changes because it does it all for me. We truly believe this is going to be the most user-friendly, the simplest, and the most powerful creative platform on the market. Speaking of, once I'm happy with my image, I can ask the design assistant to turn it into a social post to promote my book. And I don't have to bounce around from app to app, downloading and uploading content to make this happen. Ultimately, saving you time, and save time means save money, save effort, save resources. So we're really excited to be rolling out the design assistant in the coming months, so stay tuned for more updates. Now, I mentioned earlier that Shutterstock is in a unique position to bring a commercially viable AI image generator to market, not only because of our partnership with our artists, but also because we deeply understand all the complexities with legally licensing content, and we've always sought to eliminate risk for our customers and our artists. So I'm excited to unveil that we're bringing indemnification to AI-generated images. So you can freely use AI-generated images for your projects without worrying about the fear of copyright infringement or ethical issues. Lastly, I want to close with some exciting updates about our partnership with NVIDIA. Recently, our companies unveiled our strategy to bring generative AI to 3D creation. In the coming months, we're going to be releasing our 3D generative model that's going to allow you to use text descriptions to create detailed 3D models without any 3D modeling or software or design skills needed. It's going to take creation time from hours or days down to minutes. The tool will leverage the largest collection of professional 3D models, courtesy of TurboSquid by Shutterstock. TurboSquid is the largest library in the world of 3D models for architecture, VR, AR, gaming, and more. And just like our AI images and our stock images, contributing artists will get paid through our contributor fund for their contributions to our generative 3D models. I want to thank you so much for your time today. At Shutterstock, we're bridging the gap between idea, design, and execution, allowing you to truly create with confidence. With our generative AI capabilities, our premium content, our design tools, our studio capabilities, our editorial division, and a team of trusted partners behind the scenes, with Shutterstock, you truly have the best chance at winning.